Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises here. This is a dry rot structural repair job. It's a waterproof deck that had pretty much rotted out all the framing, the subfloor, took out the walls, the support posts supporting the roof line, and all of this had to be completely redone. You can see the cripple walls are rebuilt. Had to put in new foundation bolts. All of this is new, brand new sill plate. This was quite a nasty mess caused by a leaking waterproof deck that had been ignored, unfortunately, for years, and it rotted out a lot of the structural beams and the framing underneath. Okay, so this is a quick view of another dry rot structural repair job. You can see also it brought in the termites in here. But all of this is getting put back together again. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. Check us out at bayareacontractor.com. Thank you.